there! These trucks over there! I see it!
What do you see?
Red truck!
Wow, you're inside the truck.
It's got purple in it.
It's got purple. What's this?
A driver.
Yes, it is. Here.
It's so heavy.
It's heavy?
Yeah, I can't drive it, so it's not going fast.
It's not going fast?
Yeah. Dad, I can't drive it. It's not going. Hi. You get a crash in the car. I'm gonna go see the truck. Oh no, there's another truck coming. He's gonna book a tank. Actually, he's gonna get it. It's a big bed. They're gonna slow down and bump it. So this is a red truck. This is a red truck. It's like what? I can't open the door. I can't climb on it. I need to go this way. Hey, I see another truck out there. I think it's got new wheels.
Can you say shifter?
Zipper.
Shifter.
A black truck. A black truck. Black truck, black truck, black truck. Black truck, he's got a trailer. I got a red truck over there. He's having a Bible. Yeah, he is. Look at this. Blue one!
A blue one!
I gotta get inside. We can turn it on and go driving. Dad, I can't drive it. It's not going. It's getting cold in here. I got Leah at home. He did pocket thanky. I see another truck.